Hi everybody, this is Chef Rohan from France, and today we're gonna make a bacon explosion on the Pit Boss K24 Kamado. You maybe know what the bacon explosion is. If not, it's easy. It's just a sausage meatloaf stuffed with some Swiss cheese, some cheddar, some barbecue rub, some jalapeno peppers, and then we will make a cross mat and cover the meatloaf with that cross mat, okay? And then we will cook it and smoke it and glaze it with some barbecue sauce. So please don't make a blood test tomorrow morning. All right, let's go. So the first thing to do is the bacon cross mat. For that, I will use some cooking paper, okay? It will be easier to roll the cross mat after that. So now we will cross the bacon slices. The first thing is that we just remove one each two slice up. Okay. And then we do the same thing with the opposite slices. Up, up. Now the meat. Here I have about 2 pounds of sausage meat, okay? So I have to let some space on the outside to be able to close and to roll the meat. Now, some barbecue rub. Here I will use the Blue Hawk Sweet and Savory. Okay. Okay. Here I have some French grated cheese, but you can use some Swiss cheese, Gruyere or Emmental. It's perfect. Okay, and now the jalapeno peppers. All right, so now we are ready to roll. It's not an easy thing to do, okay, so be careful. All right, now I will spray some butter. So it will help to the rub to stick on the meat. Okay, now it's ready to smoke. Temperature of the K24 is around 300 Fahrenheit, so 150 Celsius degrees is perfect to cook our meatloaf or bacon explosion. Okay, now I will use two small cherry chunks. Okay. It's now time to glaze the meat. Our bacon explosion is ready, so let's cut it and eat it. For the sides, you can use whatever you want, a potato salad or some corn, some coleslaw, barbecue sauce, of course. And that's it. I hope you appreciate this video. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.